Alright, so we're going to look at the category section with no products. What we've got is basically one header graphic. We can add buttons back into it like we have on the brands, but I chose to remove them just for simplicity, because I'm not sure if you guys are going to want to enter a generic graphic depending on which category it is. I would assume like underneath some wheel sections and some other areas you'll want to be using the exact same graphic in that whole section. So I wanted to put something up there instead of just a small wheel or another graphic that's, you're going to be grabbing a lot of graphics, and we want to make sure that they're in the same format, same size. So the banners seem to be a little bit easier that way, plus your graphic designer can kind of use a template system based on that. Then we've got two columns, one for content and then the other one for the product inquiry. In this product inquiry, we have the ability to, I implemented some additional code into the module so that anytime something's submitted, it adds the URL to it. Instead of having to create a whole bunch of different forms for different pages to be able to identify it, this is the better solution for that. With that being said, what this basically is a category that we just displayed. That category then has the static block, and the static block is this one that we're seeing right here, which is category example empty. So you'll need to create new ones for those empty fields. Basically, it's a lot of the same code as the previous one, with some exceptions of embedding the widget for the form itself. So blocks, it should be the first one because I just created it. So we've got this one here. All inquiries and stuff to the form will be sent to you via email, and then we have custom forms. You can come back in and look at the submitted data. So what you can see here is the code, category form. You can respond within this. I don't see my email in there. Oh yeah, because I'm not a customer. But you can see here what I wrote in as what I needed, and then the referring URL that I added into the system. Should be able to block IP addresses if people are doing that kind of stuff, and I can put an anti submit area as well so that you're not getting spammed. So let me know if you have any questions.